What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a minute. Today we're gonna be working on the 300ZX. I'm gonna be tinting the windshield. This is gonna be for practice for me, as well as something I get to do on my car and some content for you guys, because I know it's been a minute since you guys seen the 300ZX. Hopefully this kicks off a good start to phase 2 of my build. Phase 1 was pretty weak and it sucked. I know all I did was paint the wheels and wrap the car, but I do have a lot of parts sitting at home for this car, and hopefully after doing this video it motivates me to continue to bring you guys more videos. But I'm gonna go ahead and bring the car in. We are at the shop. I'm gonna bring it in, strip the front strip because it currently does have tint. It only has the banner. I'm gonna strip that and I'm gonna tint the whole windshield. But without talking anymore, I'm gonna go pull this in. Let's remove that front strip and get started. There goes my brother getting ready for IA. What are you gonna do, you little bitch? So let them know what's been going on with your cars. I know we've been off the channel for at least 2 months, so give them a little update of what you got going on. So he's taking the Z. So if you guys spot the Z, be sure to say what's up. It's not gonna be that hard to spot. It's the only Viper green Z there. Alright, so I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna just remove this front strip that I have right now, and then I'm gonna prep the front and we're gonna get started, and I'll show you guys what tint I'm gonna use and what I'm gonna go with for the front windshield. Show you guys what I'm gonna put on it. I am gonna be doing 55 from Suntech. Let me go get the roll. All right, so I have the roll here with me. As you guys can see, it is Carbon 55 by Suntech. A lot of you guys might be wondering, why are you going with 55? It's gonna look like you have no tint. The reason I'm going with 55 is because if I go a little bit darker, I might have trouble seeing at night, and I don't wanna have trouble. The main reason I'm doing this is not for privacy. It's actually for heat reduction. I do have the T-tops, and it gets extremely hot in this car in the summer, and we're approaching that time of year. So what I want to do is put tint on my front windshield that will help keep my interior cooler. I do have dyed all around, so I do have to re-tint the whole car. But getting started with the windshield is a very good step. But I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna measure the windshield, cut out what I need, and start trimming. Alright, so I got the windshield done, and I'm gonna add a 5% strip because it is too clear for me. If you take a look from the inside, it looks like it has nothing. So I'm gonna be adding a 5% windshield strip, and we're going with 5% carbon as well. I don't want to have to deal with this bubbling up, turning purple, cracking over time, so we're gonna go with carbon. I'm gonna set you guys up and we're gonna get started with it. Back home, I'm going to cut the yard. My brother's gonna where I'm gonna close out this video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy it. Please drop it down a like. Subscribe if you haven't. Help us reach 40,000 subscribers. I'm still gonna tint my brother's front windshield, but that's gonna be in a different video because he actually is going to be doing something else on it. So instead of having it in this video, we're just gonna dedicate one video to the 350Z and just include it in there as a nice little side piece. I'm gonna show you guys how the windshield looks. It's still a little bit dirty. I haven't cleaned it. Alright, this is how it looks. All in all, looks great. You can't really tell by the sun glare. I'm gonna show you guys through the inside. It really doesn't look like I did much, but it did get tinted. Take my word for it. It is 55%. Let me see. See, there you go. You can tell kind of the difference of how it looks outside and how the inside looks. There it goes. You can get a good sense of what 55% looks. You can see there's more exposure on the outside than there is inside the car. It is something subtle, but it's something that definitely does make a difference. I noticed it on my way home from the shop. But without further ado, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Deuces.
Yeah, man, the world needs better laws. Maybe then we'll be better off. I'm hoping that it comes, but it never does. Just got new grills and they all go. So I got that beef with the